Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We are going to do an organizing my pantry video today, so I hope that you enjoy, and let's get right on into it. So I kind of start by just taking every single thing out of the pantry that I didn't want to stay in there. Some things, like a couple of the cereal boxes, I already had in the pantry. I didn't need to take them out because I didn't need to refill them. Grant likes to come help. So anything I didn't need or was out of date, I went ahead and threw away. Got that trash bag there. But I really just removed everything, and then Grant wanted a snack. We've really been working on saying things in consecutive ways or sentences, full sentences with him. So to have him get a treat or a snack or something that he wants that's out of a normal routine, I just have him repeat some words back to me. Anyways, getting right back into it, while he plunders through the fridge a little bit more, I just checked all the dates on these cans, making sure I didn't have anything in my pantry that didn't have a meaning for me or for food. I removed my medicine cabinet because I'm taking it completely out of the pantry, and we're just going to go ahead and get started with condensing all this stuff down. So a couple things I'm going to use. I'm going to use a regular pair of kitchen scissors. I'm going to use these jars with the sealing lids. They're canning jars, I'm pretty sure. And I'm just taking anything out of the pantry that's opened and needs to be sealed to stay fresh, and putting them in the jars. Most of the things that are going in these jars today are going to be new packages that I'm opening. I'm in a very aesthetic place in life where if it doesn't bring me joy or suit anything that I want for my house, then I change it in some way. I just want to take a moment and say thank you guys for being here. If you haven't already subscribed, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and get notified every time I post a new video. I'm going to be posting one video a week. It could be from lifestyle content all the way down to Q&As from other social media platforms. And we'll also be doing some manifestation videos in the future. With the minute rice, I added the instructions in the jar just because I'm not very sure how to cook it without reading the instructions. Even though I've read it a million times, I always get the water to rice ratio very off. So as I'm jarring all of these things, I realized I didn't have a funnel. It made such a huge mess, but I just tried my best to clean up after myself. It was fun. With a lot of these things, I tried to make sure that I would pack it down, shake the jar a little bit, or just tap it on the counter just to make sure we could get as much as possible into the jar without wasting any product. I just wanted to show you guys this awesome mug my friend Tawny made for me. She is my mug plug, and I love that that's her slogan. I went ahead and labeled these jars just so I would know what I wanted to use them for and or use them for in the future. You can always take peroxide or alcohol and remove that permanent marker, or you can just scratch it off. It really doesn't take a lot to get it off. And I had some excess flour, so I added some more in a jar. And the cleanup was not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but we just made sure to get everything off the counter, and I had to take a photo. So I wanted to go through and get baskets that matched, but we will work on that at a different time. I went ahead and added anything that went together in a basket, tried to keep it as organized as possible. I didn't want to spend any money doing this project. I'd just been in the house for 3 days, and my OCD really kicked in when I went to do these tea bags. I felt like Khloe Kardashian with her Oreos, but this took honestly like 30 minutes. It was so silly of me, but I just had to do it. Also, this is the only way that all of the tea bags fit, so I was proud of myself for thinking of that. So if any of you have OCD, you'll appreciate this. I hope it's a little whack, but I tried. Some of these things are just excess boxes that I didn't really know what to do with, so I tried to conjoin them into that box.
Hey, we're on day a million of being stuck at home. Today I just canned all things that were taking up a lot of space in my pantry and going through and minimalizing everything in my house. Like everything. I took a 6-drawer dresser, huge dresser, down to a little 5-6-drawer dresser about this tall, waist high. Now the pantry. Then we'll move on to everything else. We have a storage shed that we also have to clean out, and then I have to do some self-care and get myself back to where I want to be in life. You say hi? Say hi. 1, 2, 3. Oh, say hi. Say hi, everybody. That's not juice, it's rice. Say rice.
Rice.
Good job, Papa.
I can't.
Yeah, we're not gonna sit.
All right, guys, let's get right back into it. I'm gonna go ahead and organize the pantry. Takes me a minute to get everything where I kind of want it. I eventually want to revamp it with everything matching, but for now, this is what we are working with. I just want to say thank you guys for watching and supporting. It's not the most interesting video, but this is truly something I enjoyed doing, so I decided to film it for you guys because I know that Instagram and YouTube just love this kind of stuff. This is reorganizing my pantry and spending zero money, so I hope you enjoy. Thanks for being here. You can subscribe and let me know in the comments anything that you suggest. Thank you guys so much, and I love y'all.